To download historical data from MetaTrader 4, first, you need to open your MetaTrader 4 application. Once the application is open, navigate to the Tools menu located at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select History Center. The History Center will open a new window displaying various financial instruments for which you can download historical data. In the History Center, you'll see a list of currencies and other assets. Select the instrument you are interested in. Once selected, click on the Download button that appears on the right side of this window. This will prompt MetaTrader 4 to retrieve historical data from the server. Depending on the amount of data, this might take some time, so be patient while it downloads. After the download is complete, you can view the historical data you've just obtained. To do this, expand the selected instrument in the History Center window, and you will see the different time frames available, such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, and daily data. Click on any of the time frames to view the downloaded data. If you want to export this data for use outside of MetaTrader 4, close the History Center and navigate to the File menu at the top. Choose Open Data Folder, then navigate to the History directory where you will find the folder for the downloaded instrument. From there, you can copy or export the historical data files as needed. This will help you analyze past performance or create charts based on historical trends.